All right, let's use RDW to solve this problem. RDW. All right, the problem is the flowers are blooming in Maria's garden. There are 3 roses, 3 buttercups, 3 sunflowers, 3 daisies, and 3 tulips. How many flowers are there in all? That's important. So we're looking for the total. And we need to draw a tape diagram to match the problem, then write a repeated addition equation to solve the problem. Okay, so we've done R. Read the problem, underline important information. Now we need to do D, draw. So for part A, we need to draw a tape diagram. And let's see, how many parts do we have to our tape diagram? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of flowers. So we need 5 parts. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4, and 5 parts. Now, how many flowers are in each part here? So there were 3 roses, 3 buttercups, 3 sunflowers, 3 daisies, and 3 tulips. And we're trying to figure out the total, or how many flowers there are in all. Now, our repeated addition equation for part B would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. There should be 5 3s representing the 5 different types of flowers and 3 of each of those flowers. And now to solve, we are going to use either our doubles, or you could skip count to solve. So 3 and 3 go together to make 6, and these 2 6s go together to make 12, and then we just need the 3 more over here, and that 12 plus that 3 would get us to 15. Ooh, that's a wonky looking 15. All right, we've drawn our math models, and now we need to write our sentence to answer the question, how many flowers are there in all? There are 15 flowers in all. All right, great job, mathematicians, on finishing out this sentence. And then we are going to end this video because my darling kiddos are asking if they can have lunch. So, great job, great work. Keep it up, mathematicians. Toodles.